Okay, we have a MAZAK gap bed engine lathe, model Rex, serial number 34414W. Machine has 24-inch swing with 34 in the gap with 160-inch centers. We're going to run it for you. Machine also has a 4 1/16 hole through the spindle, D111 CAMLOck. Right now he's running at a low RPM. The machine has from 12 up to 1200 RPM. Digital readout, rapid traverse, 4-way rapid traverse. That's forward and reverse on the spindle. You also have a taper turning attachment, 3-jar chuck, 4-jar chuck, 2 steady rests, and a Laura's tool post. Well-equipped machine, heavy duty, made in Japan. Going a little faster. Just putting it to high gear. Okay. Right now he's running the longitudinal feed. You can also see it on the digital readout. Rapid traverse. Wait, let me show him the rapid again. There you go. Both directions. There you go. Cross feed. Do the crossfeed rapid as well. Rapid traverse to the cross. Both directions. So it's a 4-way rapid. Tailstock, which is 2-speed. You also have a rack underneath to move the whole tailstock. You have one steady rest on the machine, the Laura's tool post. We also have another steady rest and the 4-jar chuck. We're going to engage the threading. Lead screw is turning. It's going to go over, hit the half nut, and we're threading. So you've seen it feed and rapid and also thread. You saw the tailstock move both in both speeds, the high and the low. You saw different headstock speeds. Hey, thank you for watching our video.